Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see about the rumors surrounding Michael Jackson's nose. Did he wear a prosthetic nose? Hi, I'm Reshmi. I post videos about Michael Jackson. If you want to know more information related to Michael Jackson, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell icon below so that you don't miss out any of my future videos. Now let's get started. Did Michael Jackson wear a prosthetic nose? Was his nose really falling off? The answer is no. That's one of the stupidest things ever said about him. The thing is that once he had a band-aid on his nose which had almost the same color as his skin, and it was hard to notice it, so people started to say his nose was falling off. I just don't get it. What's wrong with people? It's just one of the tabloid things, or it could be spread around everywhere just to mock him. It is really not clear how many surgeries Michael had on his nose. According to his autobiography published in 1988, Michael clearly stated that he had two surgeries on his nose. The first one was during rehearsals he fell and broke his nose, and the second one was because after the first one he had breathing problem. He claimed the same in his 2002 documentary Living with Michael Jackson. So if he had more than that, then my best guess is it cannot be more than 3 or maximum 4. But I would personally believe in what Michael said because there is no point in believing what the tabloid says who had lied multiple times in the past. I would rather believe in the man himself. And what is really the big deal here? His own father teased him saying he had a fat nose, how would you feel? And everyone who came to see him when he was still young and in his puberty times, he said they would go like, oh, what happened? So after the incident that broke his nose, he really wanted to get rid of his fat nose because people made him to feel uncomfortable about himself. But please don't believe the crazy rumor which says that Michael Jackson wore a prosthetic nose because his nose was falling off. No, it didn't. His autopsy doesn't mention it. He obviously had nose jobs which resulted in breathing problems that deteriorated his chronic insomnia, but he did not wear a prosthetic nose. That tabloid rumor almost started after Michael Jackson appeared in court with a tape on his nose. Well, it is just a band-aid. Here you can see two pictures for comparison. The first one was taken on November 13, 2002 with Michael wearing a band-aid on his nose, and the second pic was taken the next day, that is on November 14, 2002. In the second pic you can clearly see Michael's nose. So this rumor about Michael wearing a prosthetic nose needs to get laid to rest. Also, Michael Jackson was not the only celebrity who have had cosmetic surgeries and nose job. Well, in fact, it is impossible to think of a single celebrity who has not indulged in silicone, botox, rhinoplasty and facelift. This is the picture of Beyonce before she had her nose done, and I don't think she got this result from only one procedure, and she did not grow up with a father calling her fat nose. She also dyes her hair blonde and straightens it. Nobody is calling her a racist, however. Mariah Carey had her nose done at least twice, so has Shakira, so has Jennifer Aniston, Blake Lively, Katie Winslet, Victoria Beckham, Janet Jackson, Rihanna, Brad Pitt, the list goes on. Here are a few pictures of celebrities who had cosmetic surgeries and nose jobs. You can hardly find a celebrity with a real nose. Lady Gaga, Britney Spears, Nick Hilton, the Kardashians, they have all had nose jobs. Like Michael Jackson said, plastic surgery was not invented for Michael Jackson. He was right, wasn't he? And like any other artist, he had his nose done because he wanted to get rid of his fat nose and all the bullying stuffs. But people and crazy media have gone too far to say that he wore a prosthetic nose. Above all, we need to stand by his autopsy report, which clearly states that his nose was indeed real. He did not wear a prosthetic nose. That's all, friends. We're gonna end here. If you want me to talk about anything in particular related to Michael Jackson, please comment down below. See you all next time with another interesting topic about Michael Jackson. Until then, take care. Goodbye. Thank you.